course, they had to simply sit and watch. It was their turn through the course of today as they watched Labour talk with the Liberal Democrats. And of course, that's the position that Labour have been in so many days, but those talks finishing a little earlier at lunchtime, just over my shoulder. And now the Conservatives resume their negotiations. But as Laura was saying, as Carol was saying, it is thought that the Conservatives have put more or less their final offer on the table. You saw that concession about a referendum on AV that William Hague spoke about yesterday. Well, he is almost there, so let's just put the microphones up and hear just the final few steps as they arrive there.
William Hague, George Osborne.
For this meeting. And if we go to the top shot as well, you'll get a sense of where they go as they arrive there at the Cabinet Office.
Total liars and murderers.
You should talk.
My friend, I'm Scottish.
Even worse, get out of the UK.
Perhaps you'd prefer if we joined the European Union, you little
Yes.
shill.
And the English people stood up.
Shut up. Oh, liars.
Well, apologies there that we couldn't bring you the sound there from in the scrum, but we will return to Carol.